Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore payment processing records in Stripe for 1099s. Quick tutorial step by step. To restore payment processing records in Stripe for 1099s, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard, located on the left side of the screen. Click on the Payments tab to access all your transaction history. Use the filters at the top of the page to select the appropriate date range for the records you need. If necessary, sort the transactions by status, such as succeeded or pending. Next, locate the specific payments you wish to restore. Click on an individual payment to open its details. In the Payment Details view, review the available options and information. If you find an error or missing record, check the associated invoice or customer details. Return to the main payments page for any additional records you need to check. To export your payment data, look for the Export button, which is typically located near the top right. Select the format you prefer, such as CSV or Excel, and confirm the export. Once the export is complete, download the file to your device. Open the file to verify all records are included accurately. If needed, edit or adjust the records to ensure they align with your reporting requirements. For any discrepancies, consult Stripe's support resources for further guidance. Once all records are verified, save the document securely for tax purposes. Ensure that your restored records are ready for the 1099 filing process. Review the instructions from the IRS on how to properly report income using these records. Always keep track of payment processing records for future reference and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.